Hold on, one more.
Good thing I brought another pair of underwear.
Yeah, so we're over here at the I think the trailhead, and it looks like the trail is closed off. We're gonna air down right now, which is what everybody else is doing. I'm down to 25, probably go down to 20 since there's a lot of snow. Tony, are we going up this trail or are we going to 70-30?
We're gonna have to go 70-30.
Oh, this one's close?
This one doesn't even connect to that
Oh,
spot.
all right.
There's a lot of trails, but it doesn't, the terrain doesn't look all that great.
Okay. 70-30 is lonesome?
No, 70-30, the one you guys were at that big hill.
Oh, okay, at the top? At the very top? Okay, all right, cool.
All
right.
Be big enough? That should be big enough.
Yeah, I think so. Yep, so yeah, I'm just gonna air down right now. Yeah, so I'm going down to about 20. Let me check my pressure. Ooh, 25 and all. All the guys airing down. I guess some of them already got their stuff aired down, so.
Yeah, it looks like it's more towards like almost like a valley. So.
Yeah. So we might have came up to another roadblock. We took the 70-30 route, which is usually open. So
we might need to help him.
I'm kind of surprised. Oh, okay, looks like.
Yeah, I don't think we have a choice because he's blocking the road.
Yeah, looks like somebody's stuck. So probably pull out our traction boards, pull up front, see if I can help them out with something.
Hey,
The other two, or do you have two in the back already? Just one. Okay, let me grab two more. Oh, you got that one. I'll grab one more. Boards down.
Once that one grips, he's out.
Yeah, it's not biting. Probably have to dig underneath that tire a little bit more and then get that board. No. I think we have to pull that board out. We're gonna have to dig underneath that tire a little bit more. Where's the shovel? There's the shovel. Yeah, we gotta, because he's not getting it's not biting the board. Yeah, the front's good, but the rear. Nah, that's just gonna chew it up. The front's not spinning. Yeah, do you have it on 4? 4 low? I would throw it on 4 low. Yeah, because you don't want as much wheel spin. Now it's not. Yeah, there you go. Got Jay over there jumping on the back. Nah, I think the boards should be able to do it. We just gotta get the boards underneath. To give them a pull, somebody's gonna have to turn around. Oh, backwards? Try to give it some momentum. Yeah? Yeah, try. Hey, he's gonna back up and try to give it some momentum real quick. Abby, you're standing right in the video. Abby, come on. Trying to record a recovery here, Abby. Got Justin. Hook them up to the winch. There you go. All right. I guess that works too. Uh-oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. So are you gonna, so you're trying to tow him out?
We're trying to get him down.
And then,
They're very varied.
okay, so they need more help than you guys do.
We try to get him down because
Well, good thing he's out of the way, so we just drive right past. No, we got you, man. We got you.
Board into the truck.
Yeah.
I already felt bad.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to get him out of this ditch, but his truck is dead, and it's like literally in a ditch. So even if we try to winch him out, all it's gonna do is pull him sideways. And I can't find my piece, so yeah, I think we're just gonna move on. Hud is trying to jumpstart his vehicle, so hopefully that's able to work, but we'll see.
It just drained like this whole thing right here.
It drained the whole knuckle.
Yeah, I think we should just jump starting with the jumper cable.
Yeah, I'll try. I'm gonna let these guys pass up first. Oh, no worries, man. Don't want to leave you out here. So yeah, see, so there's a ditch, and his tire's in there. So if we try to winch him out, all it's gonna do is drag him along this. Can't find the snatch blocks.
Go ahead.
All right, Tony, go ahead. Turn it to the right. Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on, one more.
Let's do another backup and pull. Hold on. Hud's gonna pull the. Somebody grab the rope so he doesn't run it over.
Nope.
Yeah, try to get some speed this time. You ready? Watch out, Hud. All right, he's ready. Let go, Josh. Go ahead, Tony.
Doing good. Coming out.
Is it on neutral?
No, it's this thing in the front right here.
Oh,
It's this right here.
you're out of the ditch, but.
Hold on, Tony.
Now we can winch him, but we need a snatch block.
No, it's good. It's good. At this point.
You said you're ready. No, he's out of the ditch. He's not out of the. Yeah, not out of the. Still dead?
Let's see, Tony, want to give him a yank and we'll see if we can get it bump started?
Starts every time when it bumps.
Ask him. Give him a yank. You mean I gotta pull out the rope again?
Start a fire.
Okay, he hungry right there.
Do they have food?
If you can get the car to start, it'll get out of there.
know.
It'll get out of there for sure.
Yeah, no, he's out of the
Well,
ditch now. That's
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna give it one more try. Give it another pull. His truck is dead. Tried to jump it 3 different ways. Didn't work. Now you couldn't try to push start it. Or pull start it, I guess.
Couldn't jump into the car?
No, couldn't jump it.
Slow.
Slow. Oh, I guess slow.
All right. Yank. Pull it back.
Back up. We're gonna have to give him a little yank and then slow. Hold on.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Hey, how about if we yank him downhill?
One more time. No, Hot. If this ain't working, that's it. Hold on, Tony.
Don't go for it.
Forward a little bit. Go ahead. That's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah.
Alrighty.
No worries, man. At least we gave it our best. So, oh yeah, I gotta pull my rope out. Shoot.
Bye. You too.
Yeah, so it looks like we can't get them out. We were able to get them out of the ditch, but their truck is dead. So now we're just gonna. We made sure that they had food, and then Abby sent a SOS message. We dropped the pin location Yeah, now we're on our way up the mountain.
Something here. That Kim saying he's sliding. Kim's right behind me. Okay, I'm still good. I'm right behind Kim, I believe.
Yeah,
it
we
was
stopped up
Josh.
here. Hold on, man. Oh, was it Josh? I think that was. Who's sliding? Who said they were sliding?
We thought you were sliding.
No, I'm up here.
Was it hot?
I swear, I heard something Josh.
Copy that?
Maybe not. I don't know.
That was fun.
Okay.
It must have been Josh.
Guys good? Yeah, I'm good for now.
Everyone in line.
The last
right?
person good? The last person in line good?
I'm good.
It is super slippery up here. We're hitting some ice, sliding back and forth or sideways anyways, and so now we're trying to give it a lot more gas and get some momentum because we're on a
You good?
constant hill.
I'm good. Good thing I brought another pair of underwear.
Dude.
Oh shit! You thought you were scared? Bro, I was right behind you. I was trying to back up as fast as I could.
It was Josh that slid a little.
Yeah.
You did awesome. You did the same. Good save. Y'all are getting gold stars when we get to camp. Can I have whiskey instead?
Dude.
Let me give you a attaboy. Yeah, we'll make an exception.
Josh just got stuck. I'm stopping. Tony's still going because he doesn't want to stop in the hill. Don't blame him.
Kim, are you stuck?
No, I was just stopping because Josh is stuck, but I'm gonna try to go up further. Now it looks like someone else is stuck down there. We're gonna stop and wait for him. I'm on a kind of a slope. Jenny just peeped her head in. But I don't feel like I'm in a stuck position, so I'm good. Looks like they're able to get some.
Climbing up was icy there.
Copy that. Now it's super icy up there where Tony's at.
You doing alright?
I'm the second one in line, so yeah, you can see what my truck is doing. It's just zigzagging. I feel like I'm fishtailing left and right here.
I get to a flat spot.
Put my truck on first gear. Smashing through. Oops. Try to stay in the grooves. That wasn't too bad. Get my engine revving because I have it on first. It was at first, now it's on second. Now Tony is stuck.
The best you can grab all these turnarounds are from all the guys are getting it all messed up. That's why it's hard for traction.
Now Tony's backing down again.
Yeah, we're kind of stopped.
Yeah, Tony's backing up. Justin, we may need to back up a little bit. Looks like Tony's having a hard time getting up this spot right here. He's making it up to the same spot and he keeps on getting stuck.
It's from whoever was trying to turn around here has ruined the path. Because now there's ruts everywhere. It's causing me to stop and then get stuck.
Okay, what do you want to do? Should we turn around? So yeah, it looks pretty slippery here. So we're all stuck on like a slope. Hey, we're all stuck on a slope here, and you can't get around it, Tony. Or I mean, you can't gun it and give it some Give it some momentum, but you get stuck in the thing.
Yeah.
What gear are you on when you're going up?
I'm already on 4 low.
4 low?
Yeah.
Are you putting on first? Throw on first. Throw on to the sport shifter and put on first or second. Try to steer a little bit to the right. Try to go towards the right.
Right? No, that's
Yeah.
where I got stuck.
Oh, that's where you got stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, then try to come a little bit to the left then. So it looks like we're gonna back down. Can't make it to the camp spot. We're gonna have to find another camp spot down there. So it looks like everyone else down there is pretty much turning around already. I'm right on a cliff, so I'm not gonna try anything too crazy. Finally got turned around. Couldn't do it without our spotters. I think everyone's all turned around now. I just gotta go down to find a camp spot. So we got to our new camp spot, which is almost at the bottom, not exactly at the bottom, but we can't make it up any higher. So this is gonna have to do for the night. Plus, yeah, we're only here for the night anyways. Kind of right by the road. You can see. But it'll do. We're out of the way and we're in a safe spot, so.
Put on that table.
Oh, hold on, Jenny, hold on. What are you doing?
Why are you recording me, ugly? Ew. I'm ugly right now.
What are you doing,
that's why.
Alec? Alec, what are you doing? Alec, over here. Well, you don't be on camera? Oh, you trying to put...
This is for family memories, right?
Yeah, it's for family memories and the internet.
Oh.
Oh. This is Justin's truck. The other white taco. Remember Justin, then you remember this guy.
Hey.
The forerunner.
I got
The first one. He the second one over there. What are you doing?
trying to get my chair going.
Oh yeah, having troubles? You need help? You need a hand over there, buddy? What are you doing, Justin?
Topping out the diesel for the
Ooh, you know what I seen other people doing on YouTube?
What's that?
Is that they use the tire thing?
Tire thing?
Yeah, the tire table.
Oh yeah. I was
Yeah,
gonna make one.
yeah, and
Or-
then
or maybe-
they
I
just
saw
set it on that.
Jay and Abby were using that last trip and it worked really
Oh,
well.
for their
For their
heater?
diesel heater, yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Got the steak going, and what is that?
That is beef stock with a bunch of I guess vegetable medley from Trader Joe's.
Oh, nice. What do you got in there?
We got some shaved shredded beef with onions and olive oil. Then we got, what is it? Tony calls it the Spanish shipwreck soup or something.
See, I can't barely see anything.
I know,
There, but-
it's so steamy right now.
Yeah,
It's cold.
I know. Then what else are you gonna add to it?
We got fire roasted tomatoes, white corn, a little Spanish rice up in here. Taco seasoning.
Is it an old family recipe?
No, it's Tony's.
From
Oh yeah, it's old Spanish. Long time ago.
yeah.
It's an old man.
Yeah.
The cutie part Spanish must be from his great grandmother.
Yeah. Yep. That's how you do it. All right. Gotta.
Yeah, this is
Let's got over here.
this is actually
Wangs. This is the one that we had to wait 5 hours for.
yeah.
There better be some good wings.
No, this is a good shit.
Good
This-
shit,
This
right?
is my own personal
Hope
sauce.
We lost hella daylight.
This is my own personal sauce right here.
Yeah. Sweet. Old family secret recipe?
No, this is my
No?
recipe.
Oh. Not even family, huh? You made it up
No.
yourself?
Personal. Personal. If you zoom in carefully, you see the chili.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. What else?
You set my soul on fire. You